Alrighty guys, so I did this eye off camera real quick because I just thought it would be easier. So I'm going to take this Dominque Latte palette and I'm going to grab this color. I think it's called Latte, I believe. And I'm going to grab that and put that on the outer part of my whole eye. The lid, the outer part of the crease, just the outer part. And then once I put most of the color on the outer part, I'll bring it to the inner part just to make everything like look more blended, you know? Like, we want this look to look really blended, like really blended. Since it's all matte, we need it to be blended. Then I just take this color and put it on the outer part, just the same exact thing that we did to the other color. And then I do a wing with the Maybelline New York, what's it called? Line Stiletto, I think. I think it's called Stiletto Liner. I don't remember, but it'll be down below for you guys. And then I'll do that near the lashes, and then I'll take the Wet n Wild H2O waterproof liner in black and do the actual wing part. And then I did my full face, and I put on these lashes. I don't remember what they're called, but I'll have them down below for you guys. But I just took the same colors that I put on the lid on the bottom lash line. And I took the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean and put that in the waterline also, just to, you know, darken up the eyes a little bit more. And then I didn't do mascara on the bottom lashes because I wanted to do it, but then I also, like, if I did it, I didn't think it would look as cute if I did it. I don't know, but you could totally put on some bottom mascara. And then I took this Rubies black paint. It's a cream washable paint, and it's like $4 or something at any drugstore. But yeah, I just do like go on my inner part of the lips, do a black line on the upper and bottom part, and the top lip and the bottom lip, and then I do a line from the outer corner of my lips and just go up. So this is just gonna be your skeleton mouth, since this is like an easy, like, don't really need to put effort into it, but need to put effort into it, you know? It looks like you worked hard on it. And just do little lines, and it's, at the end, it kind of looks like someone sewed your mouth together. I mean, you could go for that, or as like a skeleton, you know? Like, Jack Skeleton kind of look, you know? Very easy peasy, and looks hard, looks like you put effort into it, but you kind of did, but you didn't put as effort into it as people would think you did. And then I just did my nose. I wasn't going to do this part, but I felt like it needed it, and I'm really glad that I added this because it looks so cool in my opinion. But yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. If you did, I am so excited for tomorrow's video because it is going to be my Halloween costume, my Halloween makeup, and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. And yeah, so I'm so excited. Alright guys, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which is my last video for this Halloween week, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, bye!